My biggest strength would be working well under pressure. It actually helps me better if you're standing over me, actually watching me do something, because I'm more focused on I have to make you happy. Even though you're standing there and you're making me nervous, I know that I have to impress you. So I have to do my best to try to impress you, and it usually comes out to be my best. I love working with marzipan.
With what?
With marzipan.
Marzipan? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I used it last weekend for the first time in my specialty cake decorating class. It smells wonderful.
What is marzipan?
It's almond paste with powdered sugar, but it smells wonderful. It's just like used more for decorating than anything else. And
is that why you like to work with it?
Yes, the decorating part. It was so easy. It's really forgiving. Like, you could screw up a million times and nobody will ever know because you can just put it all back together and mold it again. I haven't even been out of high school for a year. So I haven't really done anything but come here. So this is my biggest success, is coming to this school. The Art Institute, actually, I only looked at one other school, and that was one in Columbus. I don't even remember what the name is. But they didn't really come off to me as baking. It was more culinary, and I didn't want that. And then I came here and I took a whole tour. Everybody's really, really nice. So it was just amazing. But before I decided to come here, I decided to do baking thanks to my high school home ec teacher. She was amazing. I love her. She was really fun. She helped me through everything. She gave me recipes. I went home, I tried everything. It was amazing. And that's when I decided this is what I want to do. I used to be really quiet and quieter than I'm being now. In high school, I didn't talk to anybody but teachers, and I only had a few friends. So being here has opened up my horizon to other people. As long as you can read, then everything should come out right, and as long as you follow the directions. But you just measure everything out, and it's the straight creaming method, which is creaming butter and sugar, and in this case, cocoa powder is added to the creamed butter and sugar mixture, and then all the liquid ingredients going after. It's just learning it and then realizing, wow, I can actually accomplish this, and I'm not an artist. I have really no artistic abilities, but making it look perfect is what really makes you want to do it. I made my first rose a couple weeks ago. It didn't look amazing, but hopefully it will by the time I get done with everything else. I would want to do it as a job. I plan on doing it as a job, but I do it for myself. Other people pay me to do it, but really just doing it is just satisfaction to me, I guess. So it's a lifestyle. I've done it for 6 years. So it's just a lifestyle, and I take pride in doing it.